Alex here with Sena, and today I want to show you phone pairing for the SF series. So if you got any of these 4 products, this video is for you, so let's get into it. So as you guys can see, we have the SF4 mounted on the helmet. We have the plus button and the center button. The first step we're gonna do is go ahead and press those at the same time so we can turn on the unit and you'll be greeted with hello.
Hello.
Usually straight out of the box, the SF4 should go into phone pairing mode. The way you know in your phone pairing mode is you're gonna see the red and blue flashing lights. And on top of that, the device will announce phone pairing mode. So just in case it's not showing phone pairing mode when you first turn it on, don't worry, I have a solution. All you gotta do is hold the center button until you hear configuration menu.
Intercom pairing.
You'll hear intercom pairing, keep holding.
Configuration menu.
So now it said configuration menu. Now the only other step you have to do is hit the plus button.
Phone pairing.
Now you hear phone pairing and you see the red and blue flashing lights. Now the next step you want to do is go ahead and get your device where you're going to be pairing to. Go ahead and find your product. For ours is actually the Sena SF Series, so go ahead and click that. And it's going to say connected. Now the LED lights are going to change on the actual product, as you can see right there. Instead of having the red and blue, now you have a blue flashing light. That's exactly what you want. So now you're connected, you're ready to go, ready to navigate, take phone calls, listen to music, whatever you want, hands-free.